Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I wanted to talk about Dogecoin because it's the next hot item. I think we're all curious to know more about. And if you're new to crypto, just know that Dogecoin is the new meme coin. It's the hype coin. We have Elon to thank for that, pumping it and hopefully not dumping it. But yeah, let's just get into it. I think all of us are fairly familiar. If not, just understand that Dogecoin is just like any of the other coins, meaning that it's based on crypto. It's not a physical asset that you can see or touch, but price fluctuations exist, and every day we're seeing more and more examples of utility being added into crypto. So it's only a matter of time before wallets, digital wallets, just like Kathy Wood was saying, becomes commonplace, and we're going to be able to move from one coin to another and all these kind of things within due time. Anyhow, just to give you some perspective, if you don't know already, somehow you've never heard of Dogecoin or Dogecoin, Doji, whatever you want to say. It had a nearly 1,000% gain after Elon had helped pump it up, and not only Elon, but with all the meme stocks going on right now and all the hype and frenzy, it went from absolutely, nothing, 0.008 up to, you know, 0.08. So the multiple is absolutely crazy. Um, anyway, personally, I think I get the question often, would I buy Dogecoin? I think I think you would want to get some just because it's so cheap. But personally, I think that for those of us who are understanding that crypto is a force to stay, that Bitcoin was not a fad, it's meeting $1 trillion market cap, and now we want to get rich too. Dogecoin is maybe the answer to that. Um, I got left out and I'm having FOMO, and I also want to get rich too. So Dogecoin represents a great opportunity that I can also see humongous gains. Okay, so for those reasons, I think there's a reason why lots of people would like to buy Dogecoin, and we're at, several billions of dollars now. So I think it's here to stay. I do have concerns though, and I'm just going to show you. I mean, if you even just open up Google News, Dogecoin, you know, I'm concerned because, crypto requires a certain amount of security. And I'm not saying that Dogecoin is unsecure, but it's best to understand your investment. And at the moment, I am new to Dogecoin in general, but I have seen news reports around the developers being surprised by its popularity, that security needs to be enhanced and improved. I'm not saying that it's unsecure, but I think for billions of dollars to flow into an asset that's not well understood is extremely risky. So personally, would I buy some Dogecoin? Yes, I would like to get some. It's just difficult and complicated for us in Canada to acquire it. I think it's more easy if you're in the United States, especially if you've got Binance and other platforms that allow you to switch from one crypto to the other. I wouldn't recommend buying a lot. Thankfully, it is very cheap, but don't throw your whole portfolio in here. Don't even throw a significant portion in there, but you can obviously put a little bit in there and see what happens. I think that with critical mass, things do become valid. So as more and more and more people jump aboard the Dogecoin train, and we keep seeing additional news coming out about, ATMs now accepting Dogecoin, you know, um, we have people like Mark Cuban saying that we will now accept it for ticket sales and what other and things like that. So the point is the utility of it is increasing, which just adds to its validity. And just like anything, whether it's gold or fiat currency or anything else, so long as we think it has value, it will continue to have value. So I think it will probably work, and I think because it's so cheap, people are not afraid to buy it. I just worry that people are committing more money than they should into Dogecoin. So just, play safe, be cool. I think there's opportunity here. Definitely, it can work out. I think you would want to have some exposure to it. In general, personally, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is where it's at, and thanks to that, it's helping these other coins have their moment too. So if you're late to the crypto game, you know, don't be shy. I think it's never too late. You're still an early adopter. Um, if you're trying to debate between buying Bitcoin or Dogecoin, why not buy both? Um, you know, just don't. Personally, just don't buy too much. You know, it is risky. Human nature shows that the second something starts to drop, like right now, I can see Dogecoin is holding pretty well in this price range. But as soon as it starts to drop, like if you start dropping below this low here and it goes down a lot, that that human nature in us tells us to start to sell, and you start getting overwhelming sale pressure. No one wants to be the last person to sell, and that's why it's so risky. And just understand that. And thankfully, for those of us who have been trading crypto for years already, we're used to the price fluctuations of things going up and down. Thankfully, Dogecoin is already at billions of dollars now. So it's unlikely that we'll see a mass exodus of all of it instantaneously. It would probably take some bad news from SEC or regulators or something like that to change our opinion. So I think it is here to stay. I think it's nice and cheap, so you can feel rich owning lots of Dogecoin in your account. But personally, I'd stick to the bigger coins, Ethereum, you know, Bitcoin and others. I know that you feel late because it's expensive, but that's probably the safer bet. Anyway, good luck to all, and see you in the next video.